Now you tell me that this is normal. I mean, I already said this so many times, so there is no need to obviously go back to what I think they are. But I think we all know, or many who now know, that it's called the geoengineering climate change modification program. You can see, look at that. They have been going so heavy today, so heavy, it's fucked up. The sun, it's dim, it's been covered, it's line everywhere, it's line every fucking where, everywhere, every fucking where. And I come, it's all fucking everywhere, this shit, everywhere.